Hi there, I'm Josh. I'm a freelance software engineer based out of Chicago, and I just want to show you a few features that I've been working on to improve my blog to make it easier for people like you to read the content. So, switching off here to my desktop, this is currently what my blog will look like. It's very minimal. It works. It's pretty easy to read, but I have some articles that are pretty long, like this one that's 27 minutes. It took me quite a while to write on Bluetooth Low Energy. It's basically just a brain dump of everything I learned about Bluetooth Low Energy, so that way I could come back and reference it, or someone else can reference all the stuff. When I'm going through this, it's like I said, very long, and I get lost. And what I'm looking at, what section I'm in, and yeah. Additionally, I maybe want to send someone just some steps on setting up Bluetooth Low Energy on an ESP32, but I can't really do that right now. I can't just send them a link to this section. So the first change I made to this is add clickable sections. The hardest part is finding my mouse. So now, when I hover over a section in my blog post, I can click this, and then the URL will update. I can then copy this URL and send it to someone, and it will open to that section. The next change I did was adding a outline. I might have to recompile. Never mind. Adding an outline to my blog post here. If I can find my mouse. Yeah, okay. Adding this outline that scrolls with the blog post so that you can use those clickable headers to go to the section you want. So going back to setting up Bluetooth Low Energy on an ESP32, it jumps right there. Or I can jump back to introduction, and yeah. A small little detail I've added to not only this outline section here, but this go back button is using the CSS property position of sticky. And I kind of made it where, if you could see that, it picks up to line up with the header here. And this becomes flush with the top of the content. This is only visible on bigger screens. So if I open an inspect mode here and make this into a phone display. Sorry, the hardest part for me right now is all these different screens I have. But if I turn it like this and then I put it into an iPhone, the layout is still responsive in such a way that it doesn't interrupt the experience for a mobile viewer. So it's not really that much, but I just feel really proud about it, and I thought I should share these continuous upgrades I am making to my portfolio and blog. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.